Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 28, 2022. One star Sudoku. Column E, column F, we have pair numbers 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Second row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column F, column G, we have pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, column I, column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 8. 4th, 9th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row, 9th row we have 8. Column I also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column I, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, column I, we have 7. 8th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 9th row and 5th row we have 6. 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 6. 6th grade, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 7th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 8th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 4 and 6. 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column F, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 4th grade, we can confirm 5 also here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 6 and 7. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column I, we have 8. 2nd row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 2. 2nd row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. 9th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Fourth row, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 8th row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column D, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Third row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Third row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 7. Second row, we have 2 and 7, so 2 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in the 2 cells. Third row, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 9, 5. Fourth row and second row, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.